Join me as I dive deep into the future of KO stock and try to predict what's next for it. KO stock, or Coca-Cola stock, is a staple in the beverage industry, with a history of steady performance. However, recent fluctuations have left investors wondering what's next for this giant. The company's iconic brands, including Coca-Cola, Fanta, and Sprite, have been a mainstay in many households for decades. The beverage industry is highly competitive, and KO stock is no exception. Changing consumer preferences, with a shift towards healthier and more sustainable options, pose significant challenges. Consumers are becoming more health-conscious, opting for lower-calorie and more eco-friendly drinks, which has impacted KO's traditional soda sales. This shift in consumer behavior has led to a decline in soda sales, forcing KO to adapt and innovate. The company has been expanding its portfolio to include more low- and no-calorie beverages, as well as investing in sustainable packaging and initiatives. Market competition is another major challenge KO faces. With the rise of new players in the beverage industry, KO must continue to innovate and differentiate its products to stay ahead. The competition in the beverage market is fierce, with companies like PepsiCo and Dr. Pepper Snapple Group vying for market share. KO's recent financial reports have shown a mixed bag, with some positive and negative trends. While the company has seen growth in its sparkling drinks segment, it has also faced declines in its traditional soda sales. This has led to a cautious outlook for the company's future growth. The market trends indicate that KO is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for low- and no-calorie beverages. The company has a strong brand portfolio and a global presence, which could help drive future growth. Analyzing KO's financials, we see that the company has been investing heavily in marketing and innovation, which could pay off in the long run. The question on everyone's mind is whether these efforts will be enough to drive KO stock's growth. Some experts predict that KO stock will see a resurgence in growth, driven by its diversified portfolio and commitment to sustainability. Others are more cautious, citing the competitive landscape and changing consumer preferences as potential headwinds. The trajectory of KO stock will likely depend on the company's ability to adapt to changing consumer preferences and innovate in a rapidly evolving market. KO's commitment to sustainability and its expanding portfolio of low- and no-calorie beverages could be key drivers of future growth. In terms of predictions, some analysts forecast a steady increase in KO stock's value, while others are more bearish. The stock's performance will likely be closely watched by investors in the coming months. To stay ahead, KO must continue to innovate and differentiate its products. The company's focus on sustainability and low-calorie beverages could help drive growth. In summary, the future of KO stock looks complex, with both opportunities and challenges on the horizon. What do you think about KO stock's future? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about the beverage industry, check out my latest analysis on PepsiCo stock.